My name is Moiz, born and brought up in the city of Mumbai. I came to Dubai in the year 2000 and we actively started business in the year 2001. We got into industry in the year 2013. Gradually, we started off doing in container seals and more of trading stuff. And as our knowledge increased and we got into more into logistics and e-com, business and overall in business for now almost 19 years. We cater to e-com and logistic companies. We supply boxes, solutions for void filling, for cushioning, for adhesive tape solutions, basically all sorts of things to do with packaging industry. We are into production for bubble wrap. We are making corrugated rolls, paper cores, all sorts of adhesive tapes, starting from plain clear BOP tapes to specialized tapes which are used in critical and technical industries. We do get some stuff done from outside. We have a few support industries which do cater to our requirements, but predominantly everything is done under this one roof. We are more focused on local because, as you know, the pandemic has closed a lot of the external borders for us right now. So we used to export to Kuwait, to Bahrain, to Oman. Lately, yes, last month we have been resuming our exports to Kuwait and to other GCC markets. We were working most of the time during the lockdown also. We were very much challenged due to the restrictions that were imposed for transportation, for logistic movements. But I must say that we were very well supported by the local authorities for our movements. We had our required permits to move around. We did support the critical industry in these challenging times. And yes, when you say challenging, it was challenging, but more challenging because we had to keep our shop open during these times of the pandemic. Primary reasons for, of course, setting up base in the UAE is because UAE is the logistic hub for the Middle East and for the region. So it was promising to put up something here because everything gets moved out, repacked, distributed mainly from Dubai. I believe that the government and the authorities are putting every effort to see that this industry grows. We do supply to a lot of manufacturing companies. We supply to a lot of logistic companies. Our website is ppiuae.net. People can contact us directly on the net. We also have an e-com site on our net, so we can also connect us, order on the websites.